Hey everyone, welcome back to BarBQue. Today, I'm gonna make chicken shawarma today. Got my meat marinating, boneless, skinless chicken breast. And I took the whole breast and I sliced it in half all the way through to make them thinner. You'll see when I open up this bag here. These have been marinating in my fridge for about a day already. Now we're gonna put them on the skewer. See? Just butterfly them in half so that they fit on the skewer nicely. So now we're gonna, this side, we're gonna build it up nice. Just like this. There we go. Now you guys see what we're doing. So I'm not going to bore you guys with this. I'm just going to finish getting these all on the stick nice. And show you guys when we're ready to put it outside on the, well, we are outside, when we're ready to put it on the summit. See you guys then. As you can see, our charcoal is lit and it's ready to go. I'm using the 2 Weber baskets today. Fill those bad boys up. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Shuffle the charcoal around a little bit where we want it. Put it inside these 2 baskets. I'm using the rotisserie here on the Summit charcoal. This is just the regular rotisserie you have for your standard kettle, 22.5 inch. But we're using it here on the Summit. I've seen Todd over at Dad's Incredible BarBQue and Beer, I believe it is, do this many times, so I figured it's time for me to give it a shot and do it. Now there we are. Just like that. We're gonna drip down a drip tray in there. There we go. Once again, chicken shawarma. Let's get it in there. This might take me a second or two just to get it leveled off where I want it, and there we go. Beautiful. Turn it on. And there it goes. Just like that. Not sure how long this is going to take, but we'll see. And if you want to use a lid, just use the lid from your 22.5 inch kettle. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at that. You got a lid. But for the time being, I'm just going to leave it open for now. Let it go like this. And we'll pick back up in a bit and see what it's looking like. Half an hour in now. Here's what we're looking at. It's looking good. It's spinning nicely. Still got lots of charcoal going. We're gonna let this keep turning. I'll pick back up closer towards when it's finished. Another half an hour has passed, giving us a total of an hour now. There's what we're looking at. Still got plenty of charcoal. It's raining a little bit out here, but it's all right. It's not affecting our cook today. It's a light rain. I do believe this is done after an hour of turning. I'm going to temp it off camera because I don't have my thermocouple out here with me. I'm going to temp it off camera, see if it's done. If it is, I'm going to pull it off, let it rest for a little bit, and we'll pick back up to see what it all looks like. Well, since the last time I picked up, I let this go for another half an hour. It was only temping on at 122. I'm gonna turn off the rotisserie. I'm gonna give it a temp again. So now we're total cook time of an hour and a half on this. And what do we got? There we go. We're done. In the center. Oh yeah. Now we're good. I'm gonna get this pulled off into the house and let it rest a little bit. It's raining. And then we'll slice them up and see what we got. Here we are after resting for about 10 minutes. I've gone ahead and I've sliced some up. As you guys can see, I've tried to slice it as thin as I can. I don't have an electric knife at the moment. I'm gonna have to go buy one so I can slice this up better. That was on the spit, as you know. Just pulled it off. Next time what I'd like to do is just leave it on the spit and zzz, zzz. Knife like Kenny has over at Heavy Metal BarBQue. HMB. You got a nice knife, bud. I gotta get me one of them. Make this a hell of a lot easier. That's the finished product though. You guys can do whatever you want to do with this. You can plate it up with some rice and whatever else goes along with it. Or you can throw it into a pita with some hummus. Green crap, I call it. I don't know what the hell it is. It's tabbouleh or something like that. Tabbouleh, sorry. My wife just corrected me. I'm not a fan of that stuff, so you guys do whatever you want to do with it. Let's see it. Let's get a taste. Awesome. That tastes better than the restaurant that I go to get the shawarma from. I'm going to build myself a nice shawarma in a pita off camera and I'm going to eat it. You guys know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe. See you guys all in the next one. Bye.